Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Sanya and I hope you all are doing good and great. So this video is all about presents and gift which everyone loves. And first of all, a disclaimer before starting this video and showing all the gifts. It's not a show off video, it's not a bragging video. I am not that person who will do that. I'm the least one you will expect something like this. So yeah, let's start and see what gifts I've got. It's just a thankful and a grateful video, like where I'm actually thankful for the people who took out their time to show up on my birthday to give me gifts and think about it, because giving gifts is actually a task. For me at least, it is a task. So this video might give you ideas what you can give to your loved ones on their birthdays or any anniversary celebrations. So yeah, iski awaaz na aa rahi ho bas, I don't know. Let's see that. Also, if you're new to this channel, तो तुमने सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया होगा, तो तुम सब्सक्राइब कर दो इस चैनल को एंड फॉलो मी ऑन इंस्टाग्राम फॉर मोर कंटेंट. लेट्स स्टार्ट. Okay, so let's start with the family gift. I think that should be the hierarchy of it. And let's start with what my parents give me. So they have gifted a lot actually. The thing is, मुझे चीज़ें चाहिए थी एंड दिस टाइम आई हैव गॉट ऑल द यूजफुल थिंग्स. लाइक कुछ ऐसा सामान नहीं है जो मैं यूज़ ना करूँ. इट्स लाइक व्हेन यू एंटर दैट अडल्टहुड टाइम, यू लाइक यू नीड नेसेसरी वाली चीज़ें. यू कांट वेस्ट योर मनी ऑन फालतू स्टफ. And all the gifts here are so useful and so thoughtful, honestly, and everything is different. Like nothing is same कि किसी दोस्त ने सेम दे दिया हो, कुछ ऐसा हो ना, सबने अलग अलग दिया है. So let's see what my parents gave me for my birthday. There's a backstory that I wanted a cat. Like I really wanted it. I love cats. Cat person for life. But no one is allowing me because हमारे दो cats थी पहले but they died. एंड नाउ आई एम नॉट लिविंग इन लखनऊ. लाइक मेरा कॉलेज मुंबई में है तो कौन ध्यान रखेगा एंड एवरीथिंग. सो दे रिफ्यूज, बट दे गॉट मी दिस. It is a cat, I agree, but it's a soft toy. Look at the tail, it's so cute. And actually, it does look very realistic. It's actually cute. Color combination is top notch. And I have named her something. It's Laila. Yes, this is my Laila. एंड मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम ये मेरे पास ही रहती है, बट कभी कभी इसे बच्चे भी ले जाते हैं. दैट्स फाइन, 5 साल के हैं वो बेचारे. इट्स क्यूट टू, इट्स वेरी क्यूट एंड आई रियली लाइक इसको अपने पास ही रखती हूँ मैं हमेशा. ये ऐसी बेड के पास रहती है हमेशा. Now other thing which my mom gifted is some crockery. Yes, adulthood is a thing when you are so much into crockeries. And I make videos like ऐसे recipe videos or something what I eat in a day, ये सब बनाती हूँ ना. तो my mom is like you should get some new crockeries, and that's why here we have a lot of groceries, no, crockeries. Let me just show you one by. We have this whole set. So it comes with two very small bowls which you can call katori. Then it has a big bowl, like it's काफी big. I eat my rice or like my lunch in this. ऐसे portion wise करके सब खा लेती हूँ. And next we have a plate. It's so cute. ये अभी गीली हो गई है actually उसमें bowl में. Okay, this is so beautiful. The color is actually really nice. I love the color. It's very beautiful. So yeah, my mom was looking for pink, but pink नहीं था इसलिए वो ये color ले आई. I still like this so much. Next we have actually two cups. Let me just show you. One is this very basic one, which is for like coffee and all. I drink black coffee, so she's like you can have it in this one for the video. Then we have a cup again, and this is so beautiful. This says I'm just a girl. And it is so beautiful. The color combination is so beautiful, like pink and white. Absolutely loving it. And plus इसमें दोनों साइड बना है ये चीज़, इधर भी है और इधर भी है. It's very cute. My mom got this black plate also. This is also for the videos, like what I eat in a day, and if I'm showing some food, so I can show it in this. Very beautiful, very sturdy. So yeah. So this was it my parents gave me, and now let's come to what my brothers gave me. And it is this stunning ring light which I am using currently to shoot this video. Also, I had the earlier ring light, like my earlier ring light was very small and वो actually टूट गई थी. It's still working but वो टूट गई है and वो repair नहीं होगी. So my brother got me a new one, and this is actually the double the size of that one. So amazing, and the lights are pretty good. As you can see, the video is coming out nicely, as I feel it is coming good. I don't know. Tell me. Do tell me in the comment section. And it does have like all these color changing things. There are 3 colors, and plus it comes with a remote. Like, I have never used ring light with a remote, obviously. So very happy with this gift. And plus my bhabis gave me something. It's a set. I am literally a bracelet girl. The bracelet is so pretty. Look at that shine. Look at that shine. It's so beautiful. And plus it's very heavy, like very sturdy wala bracelet, not like, you know, ऐसा type का, but काफी अच्छी quality का. And this also comes with a ring. This is the ring, and ये actually थोड़ी सी बड़ी है मेरे को, but I'm gonna wear it anyways. I love rings. I love bracelets. ये सब example है. So thank you so much for this. Also, it's very cute. Guys, poor soul, I forgot to show you one more thing which my father bought me, which is these slippers. I love this. This is actually the second pair I'm having. I love these ones. So comfortable, so good. I love wearing this at home. So yeah, I forgot to show this. Dumb. So now the family gifts are over. Now let's come to what my friends got me. And I did hosted a party, and जिसने भी वो vlog देखा हो, thank you so much. मैंने अभी upload ही नहीं किया है, but okay, जो भी देख लेगा, thank you so much. Now अभी friends के gifts में किससे open करें? Let's open with this one. Okay, so I'm gonna start with Upagya's ka gift. So when she gave it to me, she's like, it is gonna be the most useful gift and all that. So yeah, when I saw this box, like when I was packing kholi, gift wrapper khola, and I saw this, I was like, don't tell me it's a water bottle, because I didn't want a water bottle. मैं use कर लेती अगर water bottle भी होती, but मेरे पास already ये वाली है, तो I didn't want a water bottle for sure. But when I opened it, it was such a useful thing. I haven't used it yet, but मैं obviously use करूँगी. ये video के लिए मैंने इसको use नहीं start किया करना, because I wanted to make this video first. This is a tumbler. Look at this beautiful tumbler. Plus, it's not just a tumbler. It is a strainer वाला tumbler, like a detox tumbler. So अगर किसी को नहीं पता है, I think most of you know that, but since it's been a month or so, I have started eating clean and like home cooked food, detox food, water, and all that stuff. I have been doing this since one I guess 1 month, yeah. So that's for my health and all. That's another video, another time. And this is so useful. Like, I can put fruits, I can put veggies here, and we can use it like ginger, cucumber, apples, mint leaves. There are so many things which you can use for like detox. And plus it comes with this straw. It's in my favorite color, pink, obviously. So Pagya is my school friend, and she knows I love pink, and she's one of the closest friend I have from school. And this is from, if anyone's want to buy it, this is from Nastasia. It's I think it's like a home-based product brand. I'm not sure. Also, there was a note she gave, which is so cute. Which says, "Happy birthday, Sanya, with a crown, love Upagya." Very cute. So the next gift is by Harsh. He's like my bestest friend, you can say, I have got in college. And he was not here for my birthday because वो मुंबई में college कर रहा है अभी. But he was क्या बोलते हैं उसे, he was like, मैं gift तो दूंगा ही. So he sent me some gifts. But honestly, for me, it's the presence of the people that matters, not the presents they are giving. But yeah, very grateful for the people I'm having in my life right now. Like, very, very grateful. थोड़ू से ही है पर बहुत अच्छा है. So he sent me this. First of all, let's see what this is a book. It's a book. Don't believe everything you think. I haven't read it. अभी मैंने पूरी नहीं पढ़ी है, एक दो पेज ही पढ़ी है, and it is really good. Like people who know me closely, they know that I am a person who overthinks a lot and who has like anxiety issues. So it's like the contents are pretty good. I read the content. I read 3-4 pages only अभी. मैं पढ़ूंगी इसको, obviously पढ़ूंगी. So yeah, I feel I should not believe everything I think. So that's a really good book, I feel. Thank you so much for this. Next, she gave me this. This is Bella Vita perfume. अभी ये गिर जाता मेरे से, clumsy. Bella Vita perfume. And before you come to me, I love men's perfume. That is why he has sent me this one. This is White Oud and CEO Man. And oh my god, the White Oud की smell, किसी को अगर नहीं पता है, I love White Oud. Like मेरे जितने भी perfumes हैं ना, वो सारे White Oud हैं. Because I love, like sorry, white नहीं, oud flavors हैं. Because वो इतने अच्छे लगता है मेरे को oud वाली smell. This is so good. This is so good. And I feel perfumes are actually like one of the best gift you can give to someone. क्योंकि तुम लगाओगे और फिर तुम्हें जब स्मेल आएगी, you will be like, oh, this was given by this person. So it's very cute and very very good perfume. Like first time Bella Vita का perfume use किया है मैंने, बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत अच्छी. लेकिन मैंने सिर्फ एक स्प्रे मारा, पूरे रूम में महक रहा है ये. It's that good. Now the last thing he sent me was this. This is not just a box, but can we appreciate how my friends know my favorite color? Like it's pink. It's a organizer. It's a jewelry organizer basically. It comes with this. Like you can keep your rings, bracelets. Here you can keep your studs. Like ऐसे वाले जो मैंने पहने हैं, इधर मैं लगा सकती हूँ. Then you can just open it like this. You can hang your necklaces, pendants over here. You can keep some stuff over here. This is so like thoughtful. कोई लड़का इतना सोच लिया ना भाई, वही बहुत है मेरे लिए तो. So thank you so much Harsh for sending all these gifts across, and I miss you. Now the next gift is also from my best friend Naina. I have been knowing her since school. I think पता नहीं कब से. Since school she is my best friend. And but the sad part, again, she was not there for my birthday party. She was in Lucknow but she couldn't make up to my birthday because उसकी तबीयत काफ़ी ख़राब हो गई थी. एंड अगर थोड़ा सा ऐसे तबीयत ख़राब होती तो मैं तो बहुत फोर्स कर देती. ऐसे मैं तो ज़िद्दी हूँ भैया कि मेरी बर्थडे पार्टी में आओ, बट उसकी तबीयत सीरियसली ख़राब थी. दैट्स वाई आई डिडंट फोर्स हर मच. एंड या, बट कट टू शॉर्ट, हर फादर गेव दिस गिफ्ट. लाइक वो घर आके ये सब दे के गए हैं. एंड आई जस्ट फील सो मच लाइक, मतलब क्या ही बताऊँ यार. सो द फर्स्ट थिंग विच शी सेंट, वेट, ओके, सो जब उसने बोला ना कि गिफ्ट पापा लेके आ रहे हैं, आई वॉज लाइक क्यों ला रहे हैं भाई, मैं हम मिलेंगे कभी तो दे देना, गिफ्ट ज़रूरी है ही नहीं. बट शी इज़ लाइक कि आई एम सेंडिंग यू दिस थिंग. वो इसको बोलते क्या, मैं नाम ही भूल गई, इसका क्या बोलते हैं, अरे यार इसको बोलते क्या, मैं भूल गई. सैश, हाँ आई थिंक सैश. तो ये भेज रही हूँ तो अपने बर्थडे पे पहनना. और अगर ये फिर बाद में देने का सेंस नहीं बनता है क्योंकि बर्थडे पे ही पहनना. तो शी सेंट मी दिस पिंक सैश which is so beautiful. I wore it on my birthday obviously. And again, मेरे सारे दोस्तों को मेरे कलर चॉइसेस पता है. And we got a very baby pink, very light pink purse. And I needed it. Like I seriously needed handbags in my life, and this is so good. It's very spacious. Like it comes with 2 chains, easy to carry, very spacious, plus this chain also. Very thoughtful again. And मतलब पिंक कलर में तो मतलब सारे पॉइंट्स ले लो. So thank you so much Naina for this. Now the next gift is from Pragya. Again she is my school friend. मेरे कॉलेज के फ्रेंड इधर होंगे ही नहीं ना यार, सब स्कूल के ही हैं. So she got me a makeup pouch, like makeup travel pouch, and I needed a new pouch. मेरे पुराने वाले बहुत ख़राब हो गए हैं और वो वॉश भी नहीं हो रहे हैं sadly. First of all, there is a bracelet. इट्स सो नाइस भाई, ब्रेसलेट्स की तो जो दुकान लगेगी ना इस घर में, मज़ा आ जाएगी मेरे को. एंड दिस इज सो स्पेशियस, द कलर इज सो ब्यूटिफुल, ब्राउन, very spacious, plus it has these small sections here, a big section here. Also in this there was this letter, but ये letter तो नहीं पढ़ रही हूँ, ये तो secret है. Also हर्ष ने भी मेरे को एक letter दिया था, पर वो भी नहीं पढ़ूंगी मैं, because this is something very personal and I don't want to read it, but very thoughtful again. ये सब इसी मैंने जब खोला and I saw this letter, I had it because I love people who write letters on your birthday. I feel मतलब बहुत ही ओल्ड स्कूल लड़की हूँ भाई मैं. सो या थैंक यू सो मच प्रज्ञा, आई लव इट. नाउ द नेक्स्ट गिफ्ट इज फ्रॉम आर्यन. वो भी मेरे स्कूल का फ्रेंड है एंड ही गेव सच अ थॉटफुल गिफ्ट. मतलब क्या हो गया है भाई लड़कों को. सिंस आई एम डूइंग होटल मैनेजमेंट, so he gave me a apron. Like I don't have any apron in this house. It has a cup, saucer, a table, a flower and a pocket as well. Like अच्छी खासी बड़ी pocket है यार. This is so good. And उसने ये दिया ना and he's like you can use it when you are making your videos and all. So really good. I haven't used it क्योंकि obviously video में दिखाना था. Next also he gave me this very beautiful pretty studs जो बहुत ही प्यारे हैं. Like literally बहुत ही प्यारे हैं, बहुत ही क्यूट है यार. थैंक यू सो मच. नेक्स्ट गिफ्ट इज बाय अवनी. सो आई मेट हर ड्यूरिंग माई इंटर्नशिप. जब मैं ताज में इंटर्नशिप करी थी, आई मेट हर एंड शी इज़ लाइक द बेस्ट पर्सन आई हैव मेट इन ताज, लाइक ड्यूरिंग माई इंटर्नशिप. एंड शी गेव मी दिस बुक विच इज़ द स्ट्राइकर. एंड अभी मैंने इसको भी नहीं शुरू किया है, मैं बहुत जल्दी पढ़ूंगी पक्का. But it says she's the only woman he wants and the only one he can't have. This line is enough to make me read this. It's by our author Anna Hong. I don't know how you pronounce it, but ये काफ़ी famous author है. कोई तो बोला था मेरे को कि ये बहुत famous author है. I don't remember किसने बोला था. But yeah, thank you so much Avni for this, and definitely wanna read it very soon and will give you an opinion about it. ओके, सो द नेक्स्ट गिफ्ट इज़ बाय शुभांगी. सो जब मैंने स्कूल स्विच किया था क्लास 10th के बाद 11th में, क्योंकि ह्यूमैनिटीज़ के लिए मैंने स्विच किया था, शी इज़ द ओनली फ्रेंड, शी इज़ द ओनली गर्ल आई नो फ्रॉम लोरेटो. लाइक मेरा किसी से कॉन्टैक्ट नहीं है लोरेटो में, बिकॉज वो कोविड का बैच था एंड आई वॉज नॉट दैट फ्रेंडली. उतने टाइम तो मैं नहीं थी कि बात कर लूँ. मैं उतने टाइम इतनी एक्सट्रोवर्ट भी नहीं थी जितनी अभी मैं कैमरे के सामने चपड़ चपड़ करती रहती हूँ. मैं बिल्कुल भी नहीं करती थी. तो या सो इट्स वेरी नाइस गिफ्ट. लाइक वेरी मतलब जो थॉट्स लगा रहे हो ना भाई तुम लोग गिफ्ट में, मज़ा आ गई. सो पहले तो ये क्यूट सा नोट जो भेजा है, इट्स वेरी क्यूट. It says, my sweetheart Sanya, happy birthday dear, with love Shubhangi. With so much more love. Let's see. We have a chocolate as usual, but मैंने इसमें से एक पीस ट्राई करी and it was so good. Like ये वाला मैंने कभी नहीं खाया है. It's Hershey's cookies and cream. ट्राई कर लेना अगर किसी को चॉकलेट पसंद है, ये काफ़ी अच्छी है. Next she gave me a lip balm. Lip balm शुगर का है. मैंने खोल लिया. ऑब्वियसली मैं इतना नहीं वेट हो सकता है, मेरे को तुरंत ट्राई करनी है चीज़ें. दिस कलर इज़ सो गुड. लाइक ये इसमें कितना डार्क लग रहा है ना. आई वॉज ऑल्सो लाइक कि ये इतना डार्क शेड क्यों है, बट इट लुक्स सो गुड ऑन द स्किन. लाइक लुक एट इट, इट इज़ सो ब्यूटिफुल. बहुत ही प्यारा सा कलर आता है. ऐसे बहुत वैसे छोटू कह रही हूँ, बहुत ही लाइट सा टिंट आता है. प्लस इट स्टेज फॉर सो लॉन्ग. लाइक मैं तो उसको ऐसे लगा के मस्त घूमती रहती हूँ. बहुत सही है ये. एंड नेक्स्ट इज दिस. इफ यू आर वंडरिंग व्हाट इज दिस, इट्स अ कैंडल, a scented candle, and this is my first scented candle. Look at the packaging, you guys. This is from a brand known as Aura Decor. एंड टू माई सरप्राइज मेरे सारे फ्रेंड्स को कैसे पता है कि मुझे ऊद इतना पसंद है. ये भी ऊद में ही है. लाइक इसकी सेंट है डार्क एम्बर प्लस ऊद एंड ऑरा डेकोर का है. बहुत सही पैकेजिंग है, मतलब मज़ा आ गई. एंड इट स्मेल्ड सो हेवनली. एज सून एज आई ओपन दिस पूरा रूम महकता है. मैंने अभी भी इसको भी नहीं जलाया है सिर्फ इसीलिए क्योंकि ये ख़राब हो जाएगा वीडियो में, फिर अच्छा नहीं आएगा. बट आज ही रात में ये जलेगी। एंड भाई क्या सही लग रही है स्मेल। पैकेजिंग इज सो गुड। ग्लास की है तो थोड़ा सा मुझे ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा, बट आई विल टेक केयर ऑफ इट. So this is it for the video. I am very grateful for all the gifts I've got. Thank you so much for all the warm wishes you all sent me for my birthday. Thank you so much for that. Plus, one petition I took this year that I am gonna celebrate my birthday every year. मैं किसी की वजह से अपना बर्थडे नहीं रोकूंगी कि लास्ट बर्थडे ऐसा हुआ था तो मैं नहीं करूँगी. नो, आई एम गोना सेलिब्रेट इट. दैट्स माई पेटिशन. दैट इज़ लाइक मैंने वो माइंड बना लिया है. सो या, that's it for the video. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching, and do subscribe to my channel before you leave. Okay, bye bye.